Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use an animated profile photo on Discord without Nitro. By default, Discord only allows animated profile pictures for users with a Nitro subscription. Without Nitro, Discord does not provide an official option to upload or display animated profile pictures. As you can see, I am not a Nitro user, but I still have an animated profile picture. This is possible because there is a workaround using Better Discord. Better Discord is a client modification that allows additional customization features not available in the standard Discord app. To install Better Discord, open Google Chrome, search for Better Discord, and open the website. Click Download, follow the setup prompts, and complete the installation. After installing, go to Plugins and search for Edit Users. Download the Edit Users plugin by DevilBro. Once downloaded, open the file location and copy the plugin file. After installing Better Discord, open Discord and go to User Settings. You will see a new section called Better Discord. Click on Plugins, enable Edit Users, and open the plugin folder. Paste the Edit Users plugin into the folder. Next, go back to Chrome and search for any GIF you want to use. For example, search for cars and select a GIF you like. After selecting the GIF, right-click on it. Click Copy Image Address to copy the GIF link. Go back to Discord and right-click on your profile picture. Click Local User Settings, then select Change Settings. Paste the copied link and click Save. As you can see, the profile picture has been successfully changed. We learned that animated profile pictures officially require Nitro. We also saw how a Better Discord workaround allows animated profiles to be viewed locally without Nitro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.